I'm the glue and paper guy. My friend here is 16 inches tall. His brothers will be 17.4 inches tall. That's something on the order of 20 scale, somewhere between 23 and 25 scale. He's all paper. He is being built as part of a buddy build with my colleague Ken Spriggs. Ken Spriggs is one of the finest styrene modelers there are. I was interested to work with him because of his very real skill, and I was interested to work with him because I wanted to show how paper can do the same things that styrene can do. This guy's posable. Parts of him are laser cut, parts of him are hand cut. He's been painted like a styrene model. Our buddy build is featured on Ken Spriggs' channel, link below. Our first episode is out. Subsequent episodes will be coming. Ken's build will be the Bandai ATST kit. His Bandai kit is going to be displayed in the process of exploding. And I look forward to that a very great deal. Come see us on Ken's channel. Follow along on the buddy build. I will certainly show you my process step by step, and so will Ken. It will be very interesting to see how the two disciplines meet.